Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your Google Gemini subscription. So if you have a paid subscription and you want to cancel it, you have just to go to Google Gemini app, click on your picture, and after that, click on Manage Subscription. After that, click on Manage Plan. Here they will show you your actual plan and if you want to upgrade or downgrade. And after that, if you want to cancel your membership, you have to go to cancel membership. And after that, you can click on cancel like membership, click on cancel. And from here, if you click on cancel membership again, your membership will be canceled. And after your next billing date, you will not be charged again by Google. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see